Riding through the hood, giving it up. Kicking up that food, already think I'm a nut. So what the fuck? A blind G straight banging, slanging. Mom told me pull my pants up, but I leave them hanging. I'm living a life like a G. Blind as can be, but I still get my bell on down Normandy. And up the street where this shit pops, niggas drop when they get the motherfucking shots from my clock. Nah, I give it a pump, full toward times. Ripping cities up like I was the last 7 times. So yo, lazy with the chronic, cause I wanna get it. I get it, cracking the 40, get them with it. Cause I'm that bitchy from the hood, baby, lazy. Niggas can't fade me, some think I'm crazy, but yet I'm still marinating. Even though I'm gang affiliated, I'm still blazing.
Get out my way, yo, I'm counting up my mayo. Still a hoe in the dough, finna get a Range Rover. In a Benz with a two-door, for these tricking ass fools that couldn't even drop a dub at China dope. China girl, a lady in the sky, scandalized, recognized, on the move with them tatted eyes. You better learn, ain't no giving in return. Get concerned about your own, looking out for self, not a soul. I roll solo, when I does my business for these ends, never will I trust another fucking friend. Get that head up out my face, I'm on a paper chase, in and out of town with the black briefcase. Living good, eating big meals to the deals, make you rounds, give you chills for some $100 bills. The life of living lavish in lux, accommodating all my bucks, snitches telling all
I see my khaki sagging low rag hanging to the left. Nigga blowed off that bag, 44 mag thinking death. Yeah, bitches, Sunday night is going down on the west. You got your Lolos, your Punkos, your Endo and your Vest. Nevertheless, she's a man who gets the poppin' with the heat. For my nigga Papa Low, that BC and peace. Now increase the genocide, that's how we west side roll. We bang your only little ones low, hanging out the window with them pistols, the rifles, that automatic shit. For you non-believing busters, never seen nobody rip or split his head, split his dick. We known to kill when we trip. Normally the Western Pure Century got that open sea. Bitch trying to tip through my hood, you sucking to get your life tipped. For you transforming busters, y'all some automatic hooks. I say C to a T, I'm representing and you hate it. I'm on the block for life, till death affiliated.
Real niggas ride solo, this is true. Real niggas go for broke, this is true. I thought you knew, shit is way wicked confused. Niggas act like they got game when they never used to. Now how I choose to slide in. Motherfuckers touch us, but they better not flip when I be riding. I'm representing West Side in. It don't quit, niggas spit, but they sound shitty when they live in. Your fucking face, Randy Black and alias Chase. A nigga down to the chalk, so think before you talk. Constantly token, and when you dip into the sack, you gon' see that we ain't joking. I leave this motherfucker smoking. With gang shit, CNW and affiliation. Another hit.
For sure, niggas. Ain't joking all the time. Hey, y'all niggas know who do that bullshit with niggas. We on a ticket chase and we get cracking like.
Now allow me to section 4, break down these doors. Ain't no more pounding, ain't joking, but we're clowning. And you're sick by the way that we be lounging. Surrounded by urban lessons every studio session. Yeah, that's the essence of a player. That's the essence of these honeys pressing up on a hustler, cause we got much scrillato. But the way they own the dick, you think some players hit the fucking lotto. So what you claiming? What's your motherfucking affiliation?
But wait, there's more. boy. Already? No.